thank you for your patience. If we have any other customers with a pre-board authorization for Vegas, I'd like to welcome you aboard here at gate C39.
We're learning as we go.
Oh, there we go.
Dorito! Dorito! Right there!
So we got to Mandalay Bay. We're able to check in mobily, and the room's cool. We got it on Myvegas for pretty cheap.
Free for one night, cheap for the next night.
Comp room one night, reduced rate the second night.
You still pay resort fees no matter what. So Vegas, never free. Also, in this room, they charge you for coffee. We're getting married, which is exciting. We have our family members. Everyone else is in their own hotels. We get to see so many hotels.
We're going to go check out other hotels. Our family and friends are staying at other hotels, so we're going to go see some other rooms and stuff right now.
All right. Yeah.
Make a swan out of a towel or something? What do you need to do to get the real boost? Get 3 of them in. Oh. Sure. He's like, yeah. It's a fucking machine.
We're going into the Bellagio Suites? Penthouses, okay. This is long, dude.
Yeah.
This is The Shining.
Yeah. It is.
Wait, how do I flip the camera?
Oh,
dude! Have you ever seen anything like that in your whole life?
No,
That's a Bellagio penthouse. very crowded today on a Monday. A lot of open free chairs.
Cabanas, lots of them open. Day beds, lots of them open.
Yep.
We figured out the open free chairs, and then they have little scan barcodes where you can order stuff, so that's pretty cool.
There's a ridiculously cold pool for some reason.
The one with the hot tub.
I imagine that's by design because it was ridiculously cold, and then the lazy river is nice and heated, and then the wave pool is kind of in the middle as far as temperature.
You can go to the lazy river without a floaty.
Yeah, no tubes during COVID.
No tube rentals.
No tube rentals.
Unless you want to pay $30.
For your own tube.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit much for one day's worth of tubing.
Yeah.
Maybe if you're staying all week, that might be worth it.
Yeah.
Also, you could just go to a cheap store somewhere and get one that's cheap enough that you would leave it behind and not care. That would probably be what I would do next time if we were going to do it.
Yeah. Overall, pretty good. It's spacious, probably good for kids. Very good for kids.
Very
Get
good.
all their energy out.
Yeah.
As adults, though, I don't know, man. I'd rather be on the strip, personally. So,
Which is where we're going now.
yeah! So cute.
$10? 10 off of 5?
I'm up to 5. 15 now.
Want to see money light on fire? Watch this. This is a definite non-winner.
Monday night at 1 a.m. I don't even know, 12 a.m. back to Mandalay Bay after ziplining and winning 200 plus at El Cortez Crafts.
Hey, everybody in?
Yeah.
Looks like it.
You are right.
Charlie.
Oh, just barely.
I don't know what's happening anymore.
We need like more faces.
Why is it highlighting him like a million times?
Oh, you can take a one more now. Okay, I like that.
Post-wedding Cosmo Bungalow Hot Tub Vegas Stream.
We did it. We got married. Show me your ring.
Flavor Flav. Oh
Hey, carbon fiber wood.
Goodbye, Cosmo. This is how we partied. We ordered $500 pizza last night.
$500 pizza. And a hot tub.
Yeah.
That's Vegas.
Today's the day we leave, and that's a little sad. But now we're going to the MGM Grand. Today's the day we leave, and that's a little sad. But now we're going to the MGM Grand.
We're at MGM Grand now. We're gonna go check out the pool. Jesse, guess how much the lockers were to rent?
$10 the first 5 minutes and $20 each additional 2.
I saw $20, so I walked away.
Yeah, that's a lot. Jesse's taking the camera.
Where are we going after this?
I don't know.
I think we're gonna go to New York, and get us some BOGO 40s
BOGO 40s.
at Tom's Urban.
Which is an 80.
So we're gonna get an 80.
Between 3 people.
No, that's just for us.
Oh shit.
Let's go.
All right.
Tom's Urban BOGO beers.
We did it. 124 a.m.
Yeah.
We did Vegas. We're married.
There it is.
What is that, the ring finger?
We're gonna get our stuff and go home and see our dogs. Bye.
Yeah, ladies, just to give you an idea of space, I'm a human. I'm 5'5".
You're allowed. You're allowed.
I'm not jumping from that.
Oh.
I'm no longer 10, but I will do that.